Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story that showcases the incredible behavior of sperm whales and their unique social dynamics. It's a heartwarming tale of cooperation and support, and it's got me thinking about the deeper implications of these marine mammals' interactions. So let's jump right in. A few months ago, a team of scientists from Project Ceti, an international research initiative, was lucky enough to witness a rare and extraordinary event. They were off the coast of Dominica in the Caribbean, observing a pod of 11 sperm whales. Among them was a 19-year-old female named Rounder, who was about to give birth to her second calf. What made this moment even more special was the presence of other female whales, who came together to assist Rounder during her labor. Now, this isn't just any ordinary act of helping out. It's a testament to the unique evolutionary history of cetaceans. You see, sperm whales have one of the longest pregnancies in the animal kingdom, lasting up to 16 months. When they give birth, their calves are already quite large, measuring around 13 feet in length. And here's the interesting part. These newborn whales sink right after birth because they haven't yet developed the necessary swimming skills. So, how do they manage to stay afloat? Well, that's where the helping hand, or fin, in this case, of other whales comes in. The scientists observed that during labor, other adult females would dive under Rounder's dorsal fin, often riding on her back with their heads facing her genital slit. This positioning allowed them to support the newborn calf, preventing it from sinking while also helping it take its first breaths. But the support didn't stop there. Immediately after the birth, the entire pod became active, squeezing the newborn's body between theirs and touching it with their heads. They even pushed the calf around, under the water, and onto their bodies above the surface. It's like they were all in a synchronized dance, ensuring the calf's safety and well-being. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. This behavior is believed to date back more than 36 million years. It's a remnant of the unique evolutionary journey that cetaceans have taken. After all, they're the only mammals that returned to the ocean after their ancestors left it and adapted to life on land. This dive back into the water required some evolutionary tricks to prevent newborns from drowning, and it seems like these whales have mastered the art of cooperation. What makes this story even more remarkable is the intergenerational support we witnessed. The grandmother, Rounder, was assisted by other females, including those not related to her. This level of cooperation and care is incredibly rare and showcases the strong social bonds within these whale pods. But here's the thing, this isn't just about helping out during birth. It's about the long-term benefits of these social interactions. As the young whales grow, they become the center of their pod's social unit. Other whales help with babysitting while the mother searches for food, creating a supportive and nurturing environment. The scientists also noted something else interesting. They recorded the whales making various sounds, including significant changes in their vocal style during significant events. For instance, when a group of pilot whales approached the pod after the birth, the changes in vocalizations suggested that the group was coordinating to support the birth or protect the newborn. It's like they were using their unique language to communicate and work together. So what does this all mean? Well, it raises a deeper question about the intelligence and social capabilities of cetaceans. Are these whales truly helping out of kindness? Or is there a more instinctual reason behind their behavior? It's a fine line, but one thing is for sure. These whales have evolved to thrive in their social environment, and their cooperative nature is a key part of their survival. In my opinion, this story highlights the importance of community and support in the animal kingdom. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of the ocean, these whales have formed strong bonds and learned to rely on each other. It's a beautiful display of nature's wisdom and adaptability. What do you think about this incredible behavior? Do you believe that these whales are truly helping out of kindness? Or is there a more instinctual reason behind their actions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be exploring another incredible story from the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.